This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to change or customize workbook views in Excel. Microsoft provides three basic views, and it also lets you customize the view the way you want it. The three basic views available are Normal, Page Break View, and Page Layout. You can find all these options in the View menu under the Workbook Views group. So the first view is Normal. The name of the view says it all. It lets us view in the normal form of the worksheet, for example, the default view. The page break view lets you view the worksheet in a print layout view. This view is effective when you want to know where the worksheet breaks when it gets printed, for example, where the page break occurs. Using the page layout view, you can view the start and end of the page. You can also view the header and footer if any. You can use a custom view to save a specific display settings such as hidden rows and columns, cell sections, filter settings, and window settings. And print settings such as page settings, margins, headers and footers, and sheet settings for a worksheet so that you can quickly apply these settings to that worksheet when needed. You can also include a specific print area in a custom view. For example, add a custom view and name it Science Mentor. When I use a view again, all of activated features that I've used in Workbook will be applied again. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.